Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for coming in for another special STEM project. Today, we are making maze on a plate. And so, these are the materials that you will need. And as I name them, I'm going to make sure I have them too. So, alright, so first you need a paper plate. Check. And then we'll need straws. Let's check out our straws. Check. Next we'll need some scissors. Check. Some glue. Check. And we need a marble. Check. Now a couple of these things on the list, you know, if you don't have them, of course you can use something else. Like straws, for example. If you don't have straws, if you have string, you can use that. If you have pipe cleaners, you can use that. Marbles. If you don't have marbles, that's fine. You can use like a small pom-pom, or you can use make a little bead. Okay? Now, whatever you have or whatever you're going to use, please be careful, be safe. If you need assistance with glue, if you need assistance with scissors, please ask for help from your parent, guardian, or older sibling, or friend that can help. While we love that you love science, we love your safety even more. Okay? So let's get started. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to start off with our paper plate. So we have our paper plate, and we're going to cut our straws. So we got our straws right here. I have a container, so you know, if you have a little something to catch them in, I already have some cut, and I already have some glue poured out. Let's separate that and separate our marble. So here's some already cut up, and just cut them, you know, make them different sizes. So just gonna cut it in here. There you have it. Straws. Okay, so put this up, and then, so I already have my glue. Put this up, and now it's just as simple now as taking your plate, and we're going to put straws on the plate. Now, when you put them down, I know if you're familiar with mazes, or if you have to look up and see, you know, how a maze operates, that's okay. Maze is basically, you know, a trail, and you're going in and you're coming out. So keep that in mind. So that's one important thing, or two important things, right? When you think about making a maze, the whole point of the maze is how to come in it and how to come out of it. So you can keep that in mind. Now, I've seen all kinds of different ways to make a maze pattern. You don't have to do it like this at all. Okay? In fact, you can research and find different ways. I've seen makers who've made mazes in a complete circle. I've seen mazes, you know, straight lines like this, or makers who've made mazes maybe using instead of straws, they use paper and bent the paper so that the mazes can go through almost like a hoop. So it can, you know, be whatever you want it to be. Pattern it, be really creative. Also, I've seen makers who've used ramps, who've made paper ramps. So you put the marble onto the ramp and roll it on before you can even hit the maze. So that was kind of awesome too. Now, I just started this one, but I'll show you a finished maze. And this is a finished maze. Okay, now you don't have to write start or end on it. I just wrote this on here so that you can see, there's a way to get on it and a way out of it. So I'm going to take our marble now, and you want to wait until the glue is dry, because if the glue is still wet, whatever rolls on it, it may not be secure enough to stay. So I'm going to move all of our items that we're finished with. And we're going to see if it works. So I'm going to put it here. And let's see. Whoa. Oh, that was easy, right? I'm going to do it one more time. Now, if you're making a maze, if you're making it with somebody else, that's even double the fun, because you can make a maze. You can make it one pattern. Oh, that jumped over a lot. And you can switch patterns. There you go. You can switch mazes, so someone can work your maze, and then you can work somebody else's maze. So you can be, have a competition, or you can compare what works best. Was it the marble, or maybe if you had to use a paper ball or a pom-pom or bead, that's even more fun too as well. So once again, you can use more than one thing to make your maze. Be creative and have a lot of fun. So that's the whole object of it. And don't forget, our Maker's Day activities are coming up beginning March 8th through the 26th. Please contact the library for if you're interested in a maker's bag. So in the maker's bag, we have all kinds of different items, such as plates and straws, so that you can make your own maze, and all kinds of different projects you can make if you're willing to create. All right. So once again, if you want to make a maze, you can use a paper plate, some straws, scissors, glue, and a marble. And you're ready for fun and creativity. Let it all begin and end on a plate. Thank you so much for coming by, stopping in, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget Maker's Day, starting May 8th, running to the 26th. Come get your bag from the library. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.